Oh my gosh, it is so steamy out right now. Well, my dad had to go to bed because he gets up really early. So I moved my camera. Time lapse is now out off of my bedroom, which is where I just saw some lightning. So we got round 3 of storms. If you can hear the thunder, it's very faint. I gotta do some checking. Sounds like rain's coming in, so I'm gonna have to hurry. I'm gonna have to do a lawn cutting video soon, maybe tomorrow or Friday. I got a lawn that I gotta finish doing. Man, when I started mowing this lawn, the sky was so black over there. It looked like that. I'm like, I thought it was a supercell. That storm was like bad looking, but lucky for me, the lady who I was mowing for, she was very understanding, said that she does not condone anyone to be working while it's storming. So she said I could finish tomorrow if necessary. It looks like we got some cars home. It's about time. Let's check on Tinky and Buddy. They're still out here. I'm gonna pay them a little knock-knock. How good they're in. Whew. It sounds like we got something going on. Man, the skies are freaking raining on me, man. I don't know how my screen on this camera is freaking working. The fact that it's still going. Well, that was right overhead. You know, my brother was saying, like, why do I go over there? You know, I care about animals and their well-being. And if that were my cat, I would want someone to do that. Because, you know, I just care about the animals, man. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. And people think that's weird. Oh well. I'm weird, I guess. Yeah. Well, the good news is they're safe. They're inside. The door was open. Oh wow, look at the humidity. That's steam. Let's get some lightning. Come on, show me some lightning. Like that over there, man. That looks like a storm cloud. Come on, camera, focus. And for a camera, you sure do like to not focus, man. He's a shot or two on the lens, man. Sorry, guys. I didn't realize how dirty my lens was. I'll have to clean it up after I get done recording. Oh, wow, that didn't help at all. And it just showed. Looks like it's just a regular thunderstorm. Nothing too bad. I'll let you know if anything changes. Super Duckman 10-4 out.